Hello everybody, Hamjambo. This is Sasa, the traveling chef. I hope you're all doing great as I am. I'm so proud to tell you that this time I've been invited to Nairobi, Kenya to go learn how to make the best chapatis ever, and I'm looking forward for this. I'll be leaving from New York to Nairobi, which is about 14 hours flight, and I'm still looking forward for that too. So please follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, asanteni. Hi everybody, I just arrived here in Nairobi in Jomo Kenyatta International Airport with Kenya Airways all the way from New York, and I'm headed to see my chef Madi to show me how to prepare and make the best chapatis in Kenya.
Trip to the trees. The plants are waving, smiling. Oh, it's just a trip to the trees. And you're invited to see my trip to the trees. Hey, hey,
Yes, everybody, this is matatu for Nairobi. I just want to show you a little bit how it looks like. Okay, so once you come in, okay, good morning everybody. Today we are making the Kenyan chapatis, the best chapatis you've ever tasted. I'm here with my chef, Madi, and she will train me how to do it, and I hope you'll like it. I'm here, I'm ready to prepare the chapatis, the best chapatis you'll ever taste from Kenya.
Yes.
So according to my trainer, we have to have hot water. So this is already boiled water inside. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just pour the hot water, just a little bit. This is very hot. So we have white flour and we have the brown flour. Okay, here we have this, and that's where we're gonna do we're gonna make the dough one. I'm gonna pour just a little bit here, like this. So this is the mix. Okay. Okay, good people. So the dough is already ready. All we need to do is just add a little bit of oil. Cut, take a spoon, just take it around. This way it makes it more even. A little bit soft and more even. So next we're gonna take a plastic bag. We have one here. And then now we're gonna cover the whole mix nicely. We have to wait for 1 hour so that it can raise evenly.
1 hour later.
Okay, now we have to take this. It's well risen, and we have this. This is the rolling stick. We have to unwrap the paper. Remember, we put some papers on it. We have to unwrap, and then we just take a bit by a bit. Ama tunachukua yote?
Kadogo.
Kadogo. We are speaking Swahili, so kadogo is like just taking a bit. Okay. Take a little bit of white flour.
Hao tunapikiwa chapo.
Okay. And then you take the rolling stone. Make it at least slimmer and make it like a 360 degree. Just like try your best and make it like a 360 degrees. You just take a little bit of the cooking oil, just a scoop, a spoon. Thank you. And then now from there, now we roll it.
Yes.
Roll it nice. Okay.
Yes.
Nice and simple. And then from there, you circle it. And then the last bit, just put it in there. Just roll it with your hands. Actually, this tool is just meant for the chapati. It's not for sitting. Nobody's supposed to sit on this tool. Nice. Nice and circular. Okay, now this is the next stage. I just finished rolling this, and the next step is we're gonna go by the pan, and then that's where we're gonna cook. But before we cook, we have to roll them again so they can be 360, and then we place them on the pan. We just give them like another 5 minutes so they can raise properly. Now, this is the pan that we're gonna make the chapatis. So you can warm up. It takes some time to warm up. Here it is, which is rolled. Put a little bit of the flour on the straw. Make sure it's nice, 360 degrees. Try your best. Doesn't have to be round. Okay. Now next, what we're going to do is take it to the pan. The pan is nice and warm. And press it nice. Okay. Have something like this. These are very nice spoon for flip flop, and then just flip flop. Give it some time. It needs to be brown, you know. And with the Kenyan chapatis, we like them soft. Everybody likes the Kenyan chapatis to be soft. So we have the families of naan, we have roti, and we have chapati. So as Kenyans, they usually like their chapatis a bit thin and soft. That's what we're making. So now you see it's browning on one side, so we turn it on the other side. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add just a little bit of oil on the pan, just round and round. And also, apart from that, we just take it round over here. We turn round. Okay. This one is look. Look. Nice and fluffy. This is what the Kenyan people like in East Africa. I really want to thank Madi for training me this, you know. You see? Very nice and fluffy. Okay? Thank you. Until next time.
It's just a trip.
What's up? Madi, tuma ujumbe.
Venye wanafanyanga huwa zinapita.
Kama inakula nini? Guy have seen.
That's a lion.
What is it eating? Meat. Which meat?
Hapa ndani.
It's gonna cross the road.
Inakula tu polepole. Na mbona inakaa imenini? Hizo leaves zimekuwa kubwa. Inasema ni what?